Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. All praises be to Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful, the most gracious, cherisher, nourisher, provider, protector, purer, in whose hand is complete control of existence. Uncountable du'as salam be to the presence of Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family and his companions. Amma ba'd. Today the topic which we are discussing is the most sensitive and the most important issue. Nowadays we are seeing on the social media the different campaigns, and nowadays the one thing is very viral, that is the issue of blasphemy. Whenever the blasphemy word comes into our mind or it is used in our society, so people think it is something which is done in the according to the prophet. But nowadays this thing has been arisen, or this thing has been started and getting in on social media. It's very viral. Even students are indulged in these things. First of all, we listen about it. Blasphemy is doing in America. Some people are doing blasphemy in France. Some people are doing blasphemy in Western countries. But nowadays, sorry to say, the blasphemy is also, and the students, the blasphemy is also doing in Pakistan. Most of the students are indulged in these activities. Why they are indulged in this? Because our society, we are not paying attention to this sensitive topic. Now, our new generation, on the basis of freedom of speech, on the basis of the freedom of expression, we believe that whatever we want to do, we can do it. We believe whatever we want to say, we can say it. We believe whatever we want to post on social media, we have all rights to do that. You don't have all rights to do whatever you want. If I talk about social media, if you post something on Facebook which is not according to the world rules, if you post something, the gun, or about atom bomb, or something which is the blood, so the Facebook will not take your post. Social media will strike or boycott, or they will your account will be hacked, or they will stop your account. You cannot run your Facebook account. Why? When you are doing blasphemy on these social websites, why they are not taking actions? When the social media was registered in this country, why we haven't signed these rules? That we also believe that at that time that rule should be signed, that if someone is posting something against our Sahaba, if someone is posting something against our Prophet, if someone, any Prophet, not just about Muhammad Rasulullah, Hazrat Isa, Hazrat Dawood, even 1,24,000 prophets, we believe anything according to them, anything according to the Sahaba, anything which is blasphemy according to the Allah, that should not be accepted. Like it is not accepted in Western countries, you cannot talk about Holocaust and anything else. So why we can bear about anything about our Sahaba, about our prophets, about of Allah? Dear audience, there are some things which we make up rules, some laws. Why the laws are being created? Because every person have right. We believe that there should be a safety of life, there should be a safety of respect. We say that a person should have some respect, the person should have the surety of life. That's why we make rules. We say you cannot hurt someone, you cannot kill someone. But we love our Sahaba, our Allah, our Prophet more than ourselves. We say we don't believe in that. We does not need our lives, but we want the respect of Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But we want respect of the Sahaba. But we want respect of Allah. So in this Pakistan where we are living, so we are seeing that there is many chaos according to this. Blasphemy on social media, it is viral. How it can that Pakistan, which on the basis of the ideology, La ilaha illallah, how we can accept this in this Pakistan? And sorry to say, our new generation is getting indulged into this. This session is just about the awareness, just to create awareness. Now see, we are seeing that many awareness campaign is started. We are giving awareness on even a small soap. A new brand they come to your home and knock the door, and they give you awareness. You want to wash hand like this. This all are small issues. Corona is also a small issue, but the blasphemy is one of the biggest issue in this world. We cannot bear this. We cannot bear the disrespect of our Sahaba, of prophets and Allah. This is our main belief. This is our main ideology of Muslim. If we say we are Muslim, then we should know how we should respect our Allah, our companions and Prophet. So, like Shah Sahab and this all campaign, like they have started a very good campaign. We do not believe that we'll come on the roads or we will block the roads and we can have rights sitting on the roads. We do not believe in that. we will take legal actions. We will go to the court. We ask you, audience, like they are doing this on a cyber crime, we will fight against them on this platform on the cyber crime. We will ask our government of Pakistan to take strong action against them. They are most dangerous than the thief. They are most dangerous to those people which want your country to be damaged. They are more difficult and more dangerous than those peoples. Please take strict action against them. We does not want anyone. We are not telling anyone go and kill someone. We are not saying this type of thing. We are just requesting over here to the parents, please see. One thing which is very common, a person say, I have my own comfort zone. I have my own zone. When you are a parent, you should check your children mobile, where they are using, how they are using social websites. See, nowadays the people are saying, we are getting education from the social websites. Brother, there was education before also. Mobile was not in this world. The people have written books many years ago. So everything have some benefits and the effects also, merits and demerits. So there are some rules and regulation to use of social media. So that rules and regulation should be set in Pakistan, that you should use this type of criteria and this thing should not be used. We want this. Before posting, every post should be checked whether it should be posted or not. You check that it is against the Islamic law, or you check if it is against the surety of Pakistan. You don't post that thing. Why it is about Islam? So every post should be checked whether you are posting on Facebook or social media, and our cyber crime of Pakistan should check that post whether it is against our Islam. It should not be posted. Even that person should be arrested at that time, because he is more dangerous than anyone else. So dear audience, this is our main aim. That our main aim is not to do something against. Our main aim is to finish this blasphemy from this world. We cannot see, we cannot bear this, that some people are doing this type of acts. Our Prophet, we have a love of our Prophet. We have in our heart the love of Allah. We have in our heart a love of Sahaba. If someone say against them, it hurts us. It hurts us more than that if someone kill us. It is a small issue to kill us, but a main issue if someone is doing blasphemy. You should understand that it is a more bigger issue than this. So this is very important issue, dear audience. So we want that this thing should be abolished from Pakistan, and strict action from now it should be taken. We will go to the courts. We will knock every door of Pakistan if we have to do something. We are not believing that. I am saying again, we are not sitting on a road. We are not calling for a strike, or we are calling for that. We want our Pakistani courts. We have belief on our courts. We have belief on our government. We have belief over all the people sitting in this bureaucracy. We have belief on them. Like we are Muslims, they are also Muslims. Like we love Holy Prophet, we does not claim that we are only the lovers of the Holy Prophet. Every person, Muslim, loves Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is the main belief of every Muslim. You also love your Sahaba. You also love your Allah. You also love your Prophet. It is not only our duty, it is also your duty to stop this thing. So we are just here to recall you, to tell you our duty. Please, our audience, help this event in this thing. How you will help us? You will help us by promoting this video. You will help us by giving awareness to your children that beta don't indulge in this thing, and help us in this beautiful cause, that inshallah one day in Pakistan there will be no blasphemy. Inshallah one day in Pakistan there will only one thing that we will listen, that will be just love for Allah, love for Islam, love for Prophet, love for companions, and love for humanity. Jazakallah.